In this video, you'll learn about Excel's IS functions. We'll explore how to use these functions to check cell content. IS functions are useful for data validation. The functions we're going to cover are ISBLANK, ISNUMBER, and ISTEXT. IS functions are logical functions that test the content of a cell and return either true or false. They are especially useful for data validation and conditional logic. Use these functions to ensure that your data meets specific criteria. The ISBLANK function checks if a cell is empty. The syntax is equals ISBLANK open parenthesis cell underscore reference close parenthesis. It returns true if the cell is empty and false if the cell contains any value. Let's look at some examples of the ISBLANK function. In the first row, cell A1 contains the text John. The formula in cell B1 equals ISBLANK open parenthesis A1 close parenthesis returns false because cell A1 is not empty. In the second row, cell A2 is empty. The formula in cell B2 equals ISBLANK open parenthesis A2 close parenthesis returns true because cell A2 is blank. In the third row, cell A3 contains the number 25. The formula in cell B3 equals ISBLANK open parenthesis A3 close parenthesis returns false because cell A3 contains a value. The ISNUMBER function checks if a cell contains a number. The syntax is equals ISNUMBER open parenthesis cell underscore reference close parenthesis. It returns true if the cell contains a number, and false if the cell contains text or is empty. Here are some examples of the ISNUMBER function. In the first row, cell A1 contains the number 150. The formula in cell B1 equals ISNUMBER open parenthesis A1 close parenthesis returns true because cell A1 contains a number. In the second row, cell A2 contains the text hello. The formula in cell B2 equals ISNUMBER open parenthesis A2 close parenthesis returns false because cell A2 contains text. In the third row, cell A3 contains the number 3.14. The formula in cell B3 equals ISNUMBER open parenthesis A3 close parenthesis returns true because cell A3 contains a number. In the fourth row, cell A4 is empty. The formula in cell B4 equals ISNUMBER open parenthesis A4 close parenthesis returns false because cell A4 is empty. The ISTEXT function checks if a cell contains text. The syntax is equals ISTEXT open parenthesis cell underscore reference close parenthesis. It returns true if the cell contains text and false if the cell contains a number or is empty. Let's see some examples of the ISTEXT function. In the first row, cell A1 contains the text Excel. The formula in cell B1 equals ISTEXT open parenthesis A1 close parenthesis returns true because cell A1 contains text. In the second row, cell A2 contains the number 42. The formula in cell B2 equals ISTEXT open parenthesis A2 close parenthesis returns false because cell A2 contains a number. In the third row, cell A3 contains the text data. The formula in cell B3 equals ISTEXT open parenthesis A3 close parenthesis returns true because cell A3 contains text. In the fourth row, cell A4 is empty. The formula in cell B4 equals ISTEXT open parenthesis A4 close parenthesis returns false because cell A4 is empty. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.